Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make repost public on TikTok. Okay, first things first, click back then click on the settings and privacy icon. In the settings and privacy menu, click on privacy. You'll then see a window like this and simply click on privacy. In here, you will find several options. If you click on story, you'll see options like followers and followers that you follow back and even only me. If you go to like videos, you'll find a similar options. So you can choose who can see your like videos. But if you don't have the repost option in your privacy settings like me, you can follow these steps. Click back and then click on report a problem. Scroll down and click on videos and sounds. Next is to select other. Now, if we click on need more help, you'll see a window just like this. In here, you need to describe the issue. In this case, just write that you don't have the repost icon to make your repost public or set them to only me. Ask for help from the TikTok team to add the repost button to your TikTok account. And after that, they will surely reach out to you and fix your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make reposts public on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.